Hello, I'm just going to show you how I'm adding my game from Primary Stars Education onto Seesaw. So Primary Stars are great because they don't just have worksheets that are games and other activities too. So I found a super game for tomorrow and I'm going to add templates for student responses and upload it. I've already downloaded the game from Primary Stars, so I can just select it here. It's already a PDF and open it up, and you can see here that we've got this super game for making equal groups, and it has already turned it into slides on Seesaw. So I have the developing version, the secure, the mastery, and also this information slide here, which will be great for parents and carers that need a little bit of guidance as to perhaps which one might be best for their child, and also an example of how to complete it. The children can then choose which option they want to do, and they can either print it off or, as all with Primary Stars Education's resources, it's really clear and user friendly, so they could use the tools on Seesaw to complete it on there as well.